Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. The World. Ten of Cups. Tower card. Four of Pentacles. Ace of Cups. Two of Pentacles. Page of Swords. And the Emperor. Bottom card natin, Page of Cups. Okay. Merong person dito, maring Aries, strong Aries sign with the Emperor. Gusto niyang pumasok sa buhay mo. So, interesado tong taong to. Nakamasid siya sa'yo. Nakatingin. Kasi this person is interested. So, for some of you, itong taong to galing siya sa isang failed relationship or maring nagpakasal na siya sa iba. Pwedeng hindi rin or nag-live-in ka nun or may anak na. Pero itong taong to interesado sa'yo. Kaya para nag-aalangan ka with the Two of Pentacles or medyo matured. So we have here teaching and learning by Archangel Zadkiel. Keep an open mind and learn new ideas, then teach these ideas to others. So maaaring ikaw is in this field of teaching, ayan, or a team leader, or itong taong to na gustong pumasok sa buhay mo. So, tingnan natin. We have here scissor, money, knife, crystal ball, letter, telephone. So, mag-i-start to sa sending a love letter. Parang, for some of you, secret admirer, ganun. And mysterious phone call, unknown numbers. Ayan. So, mapera itong taong to. So, for some of you, itong taong to ay from the past mo na or one of your ex or isa sa mga nakausap mo na before. So, ibig sabihin kilala mo na to. Diamond bottom card. So, tingnan natin sa tarot messages, oracle cards. Can we start again? So, maaaring nga nagkaroon na nga kayo ng start nitong taong to. Nag-start lang pero hindi nagtuloy, naudlot, hindi naging kayo. Bigla na lang na nawala ng ghost. Biglang hindi na lang kayo nag-usap, ganun. I'm isolating myself to reflect. I want to surprise you. So, hindi pa siya nagpapakilala totally, pero kilala mo to. Parang, ang pinapalabas niya, secret admirer, pero kilala mo na to. And for some of you, it's a twin flame na magbabalik with this union of hearts. And this person is missing you. We're compatible to each other. So, ngayon gusto niya ng commitment. Kumbaga dati parang tumakbo to, natakot sa commitment, feeling betrayed, and the struggle is real. So, let's see more. So, maring spiritual connection nga ito. Grateful for the spiritual lesson. So, after ng separation nyo, no contact situation, marami siya na-realize after this isolation. I feel you leaving me behind. I wish things could be different. So, marami kayong differences nitong taong to. And ito yung isa sa kinatakutan niya, conflicts. So many things remind me of you. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. Ayan, kasi nag-ano pa rin siya eh. Holding on, kumakapit. bury myself in work to forget you. Pero kahit anong gawin niya, pag-ignore, ayan, so nasasaktan lang siya. The struggle is real. Eto, nasasaktan lang siya sa pag-iwas. Ayan, pinipilit niya. I left you before you could leave me. Kasi natakot nga siya dun sa mga conflicts, kaya umiwas siya agad. I wish I had treated you better, na pinagsisisihan niya na ngayon. I regret lying to you. So, ayan, oh. Kuha tayo ng initials. Letter B, F, X, M, A, H, V, R. Letter E and Z sa bottom card. So, kuha tayo ng blue card. Obsession. Uy. Obsess energy. Chemistry. So, ang lakas ng chemistry. And all strings attached. So, yan, mga connected sa red strings of fate. Ayan. So, connected kayo ng taon to spiritual connection. And let's see sa general signs and messages more about this person. We have for some of you ex-lover. Once, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. July, June. Need more signs. Ayan, chaser. Birthmark, summer. Sagittarius. Quiet person, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Patience, please. Sword, another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And September. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.